guests by applauding them onto the field. What an unbelievable strike from Naby Keita. Liverpool take the lead midway through the half. Stuck one in at the bridge from not dissimilar range. He's done it again. Well, it's a perfectly placed free kick. Kepa barely moved the foot to get near it. It's loose, appeals for handball, doesn't matter. Wijnaldum stuck it in the roof of the net and Chelsea are 3 down. Toward Alonso. The nudge in the back was enough to stop him from getting it. And this ball back in's come his way, and there's Willian. And surely Giroud's going to turn it in. And Chelsea are on the scoreboard right on half-time. And that Christian Pulisic at the double.
That's absolutely fabulous.
Easily skipped away from Jorginho, in for Jones. Great lead to Oxlade-Chamberlain, who roots it. And surely now that is that. From one end of the pitch to the other in a flash. An 8-goal thriller at Anfield, 8 different goal scorers. Chelsea needed a point to secure top 4. Final score at Anfield, Liverpool 5, Chelsea 3.